A quick visual inspection can help you see if your tires need to be replaced. Here are 3 warning signs. 1. Tread wear. Look for the tread wear bar between your tire's treads. If the tire's surface has worn down even with this bar, you're driving on tires that have lost nearly twice their stopping performance. 2. Visual damage. See any strange bulges, bubbles, or little cracks? This usually means the structural integrity of your tire has been compromised, which can lead to a blowout, not the excitement you're looking for. And 3. Age. If your tires are 6 years old or older, keep an eye on them, no matter how good the treads look. The sun breaks down rubber over time, which is why tires in hot, dry climates typically have shorter lifespans.